Alright guys, now I'm going to do linear equations for you. Alright, so I'm going to actually do the linear equations in one variable. Okay, so linear equations in one variable, guys. The linear equation in one variable is an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b equals to 0, where a and b are two integers and the x is a variable and has only one solution. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 8 is a linear equation having a single variable in it. Therefore, this equation has only one solution, which is x equals to 5/2. Whereas if we speak about linear variable in two variables, it has two number of solutions. So basically, guys, when we look at this equation, we see 2x plus 3. 2x is unknown and 3 is known. So I'm going to take 3 to the other side of the equation. Obviously, I'm going to change its sign. It's going to be 2x equals to 5. So divide both sides by 2. X will be 5/2. Okay. A linear equation in one variable is an equation which has a maximum of one variable of order 1. It is of the form ax plus b equals to 0, where x is the variable. This equation has only one solution. Few examples are like this. 3x equals to 1, 22x minus 1 equals to 0, 4x plus 9 equals to -9. So for all these equations here, guys, what we can do is you can say this is unknown and this is known. So there's only one unknown variable, which is x. Right? That's why these are examples of linear equation in one variable. Okay. So to solve a linear equation, guys, there are a few steps obviously we need to follow. Right? Step 1 will be using LCM, clear the fractions if there is any. LCM, guys, stands for lowest common multiplication, right? There was another abbreviation which was HCF, right? That is highest common factor. This is LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, simplify both sides of the equation, isolate the variable, verify your answer. These are the steps we need to follow. Okay, the standard form of linear equation in one variable, guys, is ax plus b equals to 0. Okay, from the previous slides also, we spoke about this, ax plus b equals to 0, where a and b are real numbers, and both a and b are not equal to 0. Thus, is the formula of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals to 0. Okay, so if we have to give an example of this, this will be an example. As you can see, 3z minus 1 equals to 26. 3z is unknown and -1 is known. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this 3z on this side of the equation. I'm going to leave it alone. I'll take this 1 to the other side of the equation. And remember, when we move anything, right, the other side of the equation, it has to change its sign. Basically, if it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive. So in this case, -1 is, right, as you can see, it's negative. So I'm going to take it to the other side. It's going to be positive. So when I do that, 3z will be equal to 27, right? Then I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3z divided by 3 is z. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So as you can see, all we did was to collect the unknowns one side and the knowns one side. So in this example, 3z is unknown, so I'm going to leave it alone. I'll take this 1 to the outside of the equation and I'll change its sign. Then it's going to be 3z equals to 27. I'm going to simplify it by dividing both sides by 3, then z will be 9. Okay. Okay, so that is it for linear equation. I'm going to continue with the examples. Okay, so yeah.